Nat King Cole. Everybody was asking why it ain't Christmas time, but when it hits you, well, you know. Then December rolled around, the snow was falling down.
Good morning everyone! Welcome to another Vlogmas. Today, palabas tayo ulit kasi mamimili daw si ate ng mga chocolates na pambigay niya sa mga kids sa church sa Sunday. By the way, it's December 19 today and malapit na Pasko, kaya as in Christmas rush na talaga tong ginagawa namin. And ngayon lang kasi si ate may holiday. Tapos ako naman naka-off ako today. So tomorrow, work na tayo ulit. Tapos si ate by next week, work na. So before Christmas, wala na talaga kaming time para mamili. So ngayon, mamimili tayo. So samahan nyo kami for today's video. Let's go! Nice weather today, guys. Maaraw, kaya pwede tayong mamasyal. By the way, this is our neighborhood. So, konti lang yung mga bahayan din sa side na to or sa area na to. Pero yung dun sa side na yun, medyo madaming bahay. But anyway, let's go!
Everybody knows Christmas is
So, we're here na ngayon. Sa The Range naman tayo napunta. So, grabe. Guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung isang shelf kasi ubos na talaga siya. So, I think talagang namili na yung mga tao for Christmas Day. So, yung shelf na to, empty na yan, guys. Grabe. Christmas rush na talaga. Pero, sobrang ganda ng The Range kasi ang dami nila talaga or ang dami yung mabibilang mga gamit sa bahay.
and all. Time to hang your stockings, baby, and have yourself a ball. People all over this big world, they're getting ready to play, kissing under the mistletoe and rocking the night away. So let's dance, baby. Let's swing the night away. Baby, hold me close, 'cause in our hearts Christmas is here to stay. Snowflakes falling gentle and bright, candles glow in the winter night.
So, we're here sa may Christmas section nila. So, naka-sale na siya, guys. 50% off na. Kasi nga, magpapasko na. So, medyo matagal na ulit bago sila ma-display. So, yun. Pero hindi kami makapamili kasi during Christmas, iba ng theme yung si Shaina at si Eliza. So, hindi namin alam kung ano yung theme nila next year. So, bahala na sila mamili. For sure, mamimili sila sa Boxing Day.
Still fills the air. The warm love is everywhere. It's the time of the year we love. Like the stars and the moon above. Architects tell you.
So, nandito tayo sa may notebook section nila. Pakita ko sa inyo to, guys. Sobrang cute. Mga notepads. And I love yung mga fruits kasi. So, bili natin siya. 175 lang. Sobrang mura. Tapos, hanap tayo ng notebook na gagamitin natin journal this year.
The moon above. Architects tell your friends Christmas time is here again. Christmas time is here again. It's here again. Christmas time is here again. Go tell your friends. Christmas time is here again.
Hi guys! So, nandito naman tayo ngayon sa my Ferndine farm shop. So, usually dito kami pumupunta kapag gusto namin bumili ng mga fresh na meat and also mga poultry products. So, let's go! Ganda ng weather. Sobrang nice, guys, ng weather.
Christmas time is here again.
Hello. Can we have one paninis, please? Ham and cheese. And then one steak pasty.
So I've run out of all the pastries
Oh.
today. I can only do the panini.
Panini lang.
Anong gusto mo na Amin ay
Or bacon. Another one panini with bacon. Mhm. And then one, ano say ito? Latte with oat milk, please. Yeah. And one cappuccino, oat milk as well. Tea, and then one tea. Yeah. Yes, that's nice. Si ate ay magbayad. So, meron sila dito guys na parang farm. Kaya I'm not sure kung meron yung mga baboy ngayon. Oh, walang baboy ngayon guys. Kasi siguro sobrang lamig. So, malamang nandun sila sa loob ng kanilang kulungan. Pero ayan. Ito yung ano nila, pig pen. So, naglalaro sila dyan kapag summertime.
Snowflakes falling gentle and bright. Candles glow in the winter night. Families' laughter fills the air. Hearts so warm, love is everywhere. It's the time and begin we love. Like the stars and the moon above. Hug your kids, tell your friends. Christmas time is here again. It's here again. Go tell your friends. Christmas time is here again. Christmas time is here again. Snowflakes falling gentle and bright. Candles glow in the winter night.
Loob ng farm shop mismo. So, mga fresh na gulay. Maliit.
It's the time and begin we love. Like the stars and the moon above. Hug your kids, tell your
Hello everyone! Welcome back for another vlog, and today is my birthday, pero hindi tayo magse-celebrate ng birthday today, pero a-attend tayo ng Christmas party ng company namin dito sa UK. So, very exciting kasi it's my first time na mag-a-attend ng Christmas party dito sa UK. And yeah, so nakaayos tayo ngayon. Wow, sobrang puti ng mukha. But anyway, let's go and let's have fun tonight!
time is here again. It's here again. Go tell your friends. Christmas time is here again. Snowflakes falling gentle and bright.